Afternoon from Kansas City. This is Neal, the new life coach at HaulACT here. I'm actually at the facility in Kansas City this week. You can see there's the yard back right behind me there in the shop. Just kind of making the rounds and catching up with everybody. Just wanted to introduce myself. I'm going to be here as part of your support team. My job is to handle faith, finance, family, really anything you might be up against out there or having a hard time with. I'm here via the phone mostly. I'm going to be coming up to Kansas City as often as I can, but I'll mostly be here for you on the phone. You can reach me at 901-708-3119. You can also email me at nhager, H-A-G-E-R, at PDA. That's P as in Paul, D as in David, A as in Apple, team, like a baseball team.com. So reach out, text me, call me, email me if you guys are having any questions on anything on those categories or anything out on the road, life on the road. I'll be glad to help. Looking forward to meeting everybody. I know not everybody can get up to the terminal, so looking forward to talking to everybody at some point, and I'll catch up with you soon. Thanks, guys. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.